Okay, now it's time to light the big green egg. So the first thing you want to do, once you have it all set up, you want to have the vent wide open down there, and then have all your charcoal and your wood, depending on what you're doing, set up. I've got a matchstick down there that I'm going to light both ends. So you light both ends of that, and then you just kind of stack your lump charcoal around that, and then get your wood close by. And you're going to let that start, and you're going to let that burn about 7 or 8 minutes with the lid open. Alright, it's been about 7 minutes. It's going pretty good. So before I put the place setter on there, I'm just going to shut this down. And I'm going to leave the lid open and not put the vent on there yet. So I'm going to let that burn off here for probably another 5 or 10 minutes, depending on how it goes. Alright, we're back. So it's been about 5 minutes. As you can see, the temp on it's about up to 450, but that's kind of false advertising just because the flame's so hot in there right now. But we're going to start shutting it down and getting it ready for smoke. So first put that on. But more importantly, we're going to close the vent down here to stop the airflow from coming in the bottom. And we're going to start about right there until we can regulate it, and we'll close it up way more than that. But for now, I want to keep some airflow through, but not too little and not too much. And on the top, I'm going to keep this thing basically wide open until the temperature regulates. So it should stay on this about for 5 to 7 minutes, and then it should get down around between 150 and 200. Okay, it's been a couple minutes. We're back, and it came back down to 250 pretty quickly. So we're gonna get the inside of this thing set up like we need to for a long smoke. You can see it's nice simmer down there. So the first thing we're gonna do is put this place setter back in.